Hey guys, Jamie here with another video on the channel, and today I'm going to be telling you guys how to unlock puzzle padlock. As you can see here is what I have. So, just figuring out where to put the camera. So, as you can see here, it cannot be opened until we do the puzzle. So your first move would be to get this black bit up there and move that along. It's easier with a pen. Then you want to get that done there. And you're wanting to lift this, get that along, and then get that. And you're wanting to lift this up and put that in there. Then you'll be wanting to do that. Then to get that bit out, slide this up. So you end up like that. But that then has to go in there. Like that. And that has to go in there. That has to go up. Then... oh, no, I've forgotten. Then you'll be wanting to do this. So it ends up like that. And you're wanting to get this black bit up here. Get it to stay there. And then you end up like that. Then like that. And then you're wanting to slide that bit across, and voila. Well, thanks guys, that's the end of that video, so bye. And be sure to subscribe and slap that like button and comment down below what videos you want me to do next. So bye guys.